VW Bruce here. Many of you know about the wreck, some don't. That happened on May 4th. But before that, we did a bunch of videos. And the first is coming up, which is the installation of the tarboards. So stay tuned and we'll tell you all the wheres and the whys about the tarboards and the difference between the Wolfsburg plant and the Emden plant. Big difference in tarboards. So why tarboards, you ask? Well, VW did tarboards for two reasons. The main one would be function, sound insulation, and the second one is aesthetics. It gives a nice professional, clean looking finish to the engine compartment. I have found in my experience that there are two kinds of tarboards, and I'm going to share those with you coming right up. The differences between the Emden and Wolfsburg tarboards. The Emden tarboard was a thick tarboard with lots of tar impregnated in it and with just some thin mohair insulation strips behind it. The Wolfsburg tarboard was a thinner tarboard, was more supple, had less tar in it, but it had an entire mohair sheet covering the entire firewall behind that. Okay, so we pulled our engine out this morning and we can now clean up the engine bay. We have new tarboards, new engine seals to put in. And yeah, the old tarboard has been removed along with the original factory sound insulation padding. We'll be installing the front seal and the rear seal too. That's the old tarboard from the right side. It's the original guy. Okay, we got the new stuff to put in. Got a broken electrical clip we'll need to replace back there. It's all original. This is all original. It's very beautiful. My goodness. It's the original, it's the harness, original engine harness there. It runs back into the light situation back here. And this one here is all for the engine goodies, generators and like that there. So we covered the transmission because we had a combination of the original padding and mud wasps. So that's all down in there. We'll be throwing all that out. Really nice. Here's one of those pins. You can kind of see the way they're sticking out here. Our engine is out getting a case saver, threaded case saver, put into the engine mount up in here. It'll be up in the upper left because we'll have the doghouse in there. Hey baby, my kitty's calling me for food. Must be the Marina Blue. Ah, come on, baby. That's my girl. Oh, we love you. Oh, we're just going to continue? Okay. That's what you want.
There.
Unbelievable. Still has some suppleness left to it. Not much though. Well, there's some nice Marina Blue right there. Yeah, one piece.
Wow.
Humana, humana, humana. Okay, so what I did, the backup light switch is on the front of the transmission here. And so I laid new wires down there because the old ones were kind of messed up. Although I did use one original wire. And that comes up right through here. They had to have a natural cut in the body there to bring this up. And this is going to be behind the tarboard. Well, I rewired the backup light switch because that was kind of Mickey Mouse. And brought that up through this opening here that they put in the frame. This is where it originally came through. And I've already got this seal in here, so this guy's a done deal here. And brought it up through here. And one of these lines goes to this T connector, which goes into two lines, and that goes back into the main harness back up. And this other guy, what I did, this is going to be the backup light line with an inline fuse to the coil. I brought this up and kind of taped it right here. This guy where my fingers are on, this goes to the license plate light. And this originally, in fact, you can see the crease right here. This is where it came out over the tarboard, the top tarboard. And this is where it naturally lays right here. Nice front seal here. Fits really nice.
Did a little work over there.
Cleaned up the grounds right here. Let's see back in here maybe. Screwdriver is. Added a new clip, ground clip. Clean the clips on the other side for the grounds as well.
Alright.
That's where the main harness feeds through, right back in there.
Okay.
Right side tarboard goes in first.
Woohoo! Let's do this.
Yeah. West Coast metric, these are very nice. Right side, this is the back area. This is the left side. And the back area, there they put a pre-cut hole there for our main harness, electrical harness to come through. There we go. Pretty much starboard number one. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, the license plate light, electrical wiring, and the backup light wiring comes through that one on that side. And then the big guy over here, the big guy here, this is the main harness, comes through that one with all your electrical connections to the engine. We'll see it is.
Alright.
Nice.
Nice.
Let's get this out on the bay. Very nice. It's good symmetric. Never go wrong. Oh. Okay. Okay, tarboards are in. Happy perfect news. Thanks for putting up with my tire. And you're not bored with it.